Let's dive right into the fascinating world of ship parts. First up, we have the anchor. This heavy piece of equipment is crucial for keeping a ship in place. When a vessel reaches its destination, the anchor is dropped to the seabed, creating a strong hold against the currents and winds. Imagine it as a giant hook that grips the ocean floor, ensuring the ship doesn't drift away. Without a reliable anchor, navigating busy ports or calm harbors would be a real challenge. Next, let's talk about the hull. The hull is the main body of the ship, designed to withstand the forces of the sea. It's built to be both strong and hydrodynamic, allowing the ship to glide smoothly through water. A well-designed hull minimizes resistance, which is essential for fuel efficiency and speed. Think of it as the ship's protective shell, keeping everything inside safe from the harsh marine environment. Now, moving on to the deck. The deck is essentially the flat surface of the ship where a lot of the action happens. It's where crew members work, passengers relax, and cargo is loaded and unloaded. Decks can vary in size and layout, depending on the type of ship. On a cruise ship, for instance, you might find pools and lounges, while a cargo ship has a more utilitarian design. The deck is the heart of the ship, bustling with activity and life. Let's not forget about the funnel. This tall, chimney-like structure is crucial for the ship's engine. It expels smoke and gases produced during combustion, keeping the air clean and the engine running efficiently. The funnel also serves as a visual identifier for different ships. You can often tell a ship's brand or type just by looking at its funnel design. It's a blend of function and style, making it an iconic part of any vessel. Now, let's discuss the stern. The stern is the rear part of the ship, and it plays a vital role in steering and stability. It houses the rudder, which is essential for maneuvering. When the captain wants to turn the ship, the rudder pivots, directing the flow of water and changing the ship's course. The stern also provides access to the ship's engines and other critical systems, making it a key area for maintenance. Finally, we have the rudder. This is the steering mechanism of the ship, and it's one of the most important components for navigation. When the captain turns the wheel, the rudder shifts position, allowing the ship to turn left or right. It's fascinating how such a simple-looking piece can control the direction of a massive vessel. The rudder's effectiveness is crucial for safe and precise navigation, especially in tight spaces or during rough weather. Understanding these ship parts not only enhances our appreciation for maritime engineering, but also gives us insight into how these magnificent vessels operate. Each component, from the anchor to the rudder, plays a vital role in ensuring that ships can travel safely and efficiently across the world's oceans.